那个是那个最上面那个。
旁边。
哦。你看，布达汉。Let's have some blueberry.
你还有一个。
再要一个才好玩一点，一个太孤单了。OK。太好吃了，西红柿。Hello, dear friends. As you have seen, we just harvested some blackberry. Look at it, it's so pretty. Okay, I will make some tea, very berry tea, and boiling water. And I will make it into iced tea. So this is a blueberry I make into blueberry syrup jam kind, and this is plum, strawberry, peach strawberry, plum. Okay, let's take a look. This is the blackberry, and with this blackberry, look at it, how beautiful. I made into this blackberry jam. It's not really jam, it's blackberry and some lemon, strawberry, passion fruit. It's the mixture of all our harvest, and plum, golden plum, but the blackberry has a very very invading color or overpowering color, so the color is so dark. And you know what I want to do? And this one, if you make into cocktail, seems a little bit too condensed, right? It's not even turning. And this blackberry one, you can, yeah, feels good. Okay, so I will get 1 spoonful of it. Now I used to ask my family to help me to open it. Ooh, look at me. Now I read Outlive that book. And in that book, the guy said, you try to, as you age, you try to do something as physical as possible, and try to do every single thing by yourself, such as open up a can and lift up plate to the cardboard. So I am doing all this. I do not need to put this, but it doesn't hurt to make it a little bit more delicious, don't you think so? So we put a little bit of it here. Now you can see here. Now I will put in our tea. It's been 1 minute, 2 minutes, should be good. Look at this beautiful tea. It might be too strong. Oh my goodness, so sweet. And I will put in ice. This is my way of iced tea. Maybe one more, two more, three more. Oh, we can put all of them in. Oh, sorry, you cannot see it. Let me try it. Oh my goodness, this is so good. It's so good. I would prefer not to use a straw. I am not very straw person. I would like to drink it just like that. Oh, this is so good, so good. So you can blend it, become a smoothie. With this, becomes a smoothie. Buon appetito!